itano na inyanya.
So that land for how many years, Shosho?
Kena eka 50.
So that land is 58 acres.
Na kithaka kĩagũrirwo nĩ Gĩkũyũ, Embu na Meru nĩgetha mambĩrĩrie gwakĩra ciana ciao mathukuru na college.
And that land was bought by the Gema community so that they could build schools.
Mbere ya 1946.
Before 1946.
Kenyatta atanoka akuma Rũraya.
Before Kenyatta came from abroad.
Bio wa Koinange agĩtuĩka principal wa college ĩyo.
Bio Koinange became principal of
tondũ Gĩkũyũ gitũ nĩ gĩatuĩkĩte discriminated gũthiĩ thukuru.
So in Gema, people are not allowed to go to school, and they needed to have African schools. So that was supposed to be. So the condition yarĩ ũbatithio na warega kũbatithio ndũgũthiĩ thukuru. Nĩkĩo ndagĩtarĩ ya Gĩkũyũ ndinaria rĩakwa ya kũbatithio. So that is true history. If you read in books, for you to go to school, you have to be baptized. Yeah. So that's the thing. So that's why they were building that, and then they would be told to change their names. Yes.
Na hau nĩkĩo magorire makiuga nĩho marekagĩra maũndũ mao maingĩ. Rĩu nĩkĩo Kenyatta agĩũka nĩkĩoetwo nĩ thirikari.
So the pink man had taken that land before Kenyatta came.
Na gĩtirĩ gĩacokerera mau nĩ hĩndĩ mahuĩ na executive officer kana ũrĩa wĩtagwo CEO wa mau mũtumia mũkũrũ ũrĩa ũratigirwo nĩ mũthĩnjĩri Ngai nĩwe wĩnayo.
So there's a Mau Mau woman. Actually, Shosho Mau Mau is being led by a woman.
No, she was left as the CEO because she was close to the high priest.
Oh, so the CEO, there's a CEO for Mau Mau,
yes.
And it's a woman. So they are the ones who've been fighting for that land. Yeah.
Atigĩirwo nĩ ũndũ nĩwe ũhoro wothe wa mũthĩnjĩri Ngai ũrĩa warĩ kĩrĩma-inĩ atanakua ndeto ciothe nĩwe wĩnacio. Koguo indo ciothe nĩwe ũraiga on behalf of Gema.
So she's putting all the things, all the various activities. She's the one who's handling. Oh, she's handling all the various documents for the Mau Mau.
Na nĩwe rĩu wĩna mabu ĩyo. Na arĩa maraheo mĩgũnda kũu nĩ wa Mũcomba, nĩ plot nĩ wa Mũcomba. Nĩtũraiguire arameria nĩ temporary. Maikare moĩ ihinda rĩrĩa Ngai arĩkinyia othe nĩ marĩeherana. Ona ofici ya ndio ĩgakorwo ĩrĩ ofici ya Mau Mau.
So no
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Na Ngai amwĩke wega. Na ahonie bũrũri witũ. Na ndĩramwĩra kuma ũmũthĩ nĩ mũkuona ũgarũrũku. Tondũ Gĩkũyũ kiugaga ĩrĩ kugĩrwo mbu nĩ atumia ndĩhonaga. Koguo reke ihoe. Awa Ngai Mũmbi wa igũrũ na thĩ, twagwa mbere yaku haha nĩho ũroigire harĩa andũ makatuaga nĩho megũcemania nĩ hatheru. Tũrarũgama haha tũgĩgũcokeria ngatho nĩ ũndũ wa maũndũ ma magegania wĩkĩte igũrũ rĩa kwarahũra maroho ma ciana ici iria Mwathani ciũĩ gũkua mwana na kũmũciara na kũmũrera na kũmũruta nĩwe mũciĩ mũtumia nĩwe mwarimũ wa mbere wa mũciĩ. Na rĩu ũtorĩa moka ũmũthĩ Mwathani na woigire gũtirĩ woka kũrĩ we acoke ũtamũhingĩirie ũrĩa agakũhoya. Hana okire kĩgongona-inĩ gĩaku Ngai agĩkũhoya mwana no kĩmũhe. Cũthĩrĩria nĩ mahoya ũhoro ũyũ ũtuĩke wa gũkinya mũico. Nĩ mahoya atĩ kuma ũmũthĩ matikarĩra rĩngĩ. Kuma ũmũthĩ Mwathani nĩ twahera mehia makwaga gũgũthikĩrĩria. Ona gũthikĩrĩria arĩa matwĩraga Mwathani tũtikagere njĩra na tũkĩgere rĩrĩa tũtagĩrĩirwo. Twakũhoya Mwathani ũtũteithie rĩu ũtũthondekere ũrĩa we. Na makĩria ma mothe arĩa marĩkaga kwenda gwaku. Nĩ twaregana na arĩa othe marĩambagĩrĩria ikundi atĩ nĩ cia kanitha na nĩ cia gũcaria mbeca, nĩ cia kwĩyambararia. Nĩ ũndũ thĩinĩ wa hekarũ yaku icunjĩ ciatwaragwo cia gũteithia andũ a ndigwa, ciana cia ndigwa na atumia a ndigwa na ciana cia ndigwa. Ciangũriai mũthamaki mũtũũre muoyo, ndakũhoya aya matigire maũndũ mao na marerutĩra matoĩ kĩrĩa gĩkoimĩra matoĩ kana nĩ mekũgirio. Mwathani nĩ ndakũhoya marathime na ũrathime ciana cia mũthirimo wa mũthamaki. Ũrathime athuri arĩa marĩ na athuri, arĩa matarĩ athuri ũmahe athuri mũthamaki, nĩgetha makagĩa na ũhoro wa kũrotera ciana ciao maithe mao, nĩ ũndũ ciana irathimagwo nĩ maithe mao. Nacio thigari iria Mwathani tũcigicĩirie, cũthĩrĩria onacio nĩ anake na athuri arĩa moimĩte mĩciĩ ya atumia. Nĩ moĩ mathĩna marĩa makoretwo makĩgerera. Nĩ kũrĩa ngombo yatuĩkire ndĩngĩhota gũtuĩka atĩ no ĩkararie mwathi wayo. Twakũhoya nao marathime no magitĩre, na makĩria ma mothe rĩ, Mwathani ndũkanamarĩhe, ndũkanamahũre nĩ ũndũ wa mehia ma gwathwo mũthamaki. Nĩ ũndũ mũthamaki nĩ ũĩ amwe maneka maũndũ marĩ na ngoro nditũ, manatũmwo magathiĩ mena ngoro nditũ, no rĩrĩ Mwathani agacoka akaririkana akĩaga gũthiĩ rĩ, andũ ake mekũrĩa kĩ? Ngai ũramũririkana, ũromonakanĩra, ũromahe ũgima wa mĩĩrĩ. Cũthĩrĩria rĩrĩa tũkomete makoragwo makĩhũrwo nĩ heho. We wonaga igonaga ngoro cia andũ thĩinĩ rĩ, ũrotuĩka wa kũmaririkana. Reke mbeca ciao iria maheagwo kana nĩ nini Mwathani tuĩkage ciakinya gwĩka mabata mao ikahana ta cia ciana Mwathani, nĩgetha maũndũ marĩa meriragĩria gwĩka mageka, nĩgetha ciana ciao kũrĩa cieriragĩria gũkinya ikinye, gũtikanagĩe na ũmwe wao ũkaremwo nĩ gũthomithia mwana wake na akoigaga atĩ baba arutaga wĩra mũna, baba agaga toro. Cũthĩrĩrio na indo iria makuaga cia kũrũa mbara nĩ indo nditũ na matingĩiga thĩ kũringana na watho. Mwathani we wonaga hitho-inĩ rĩ, we wonaga hitho-inĩ rĩ, maririkane. Na ithuĩ tũkiumagara Mwathani, tũimahoya tume haha twĩna kĩrathimo gĩaku, no coke ũhonie bũrũri witũ, no coke ũteithie bũrũri witũ kũnyitana. Nĩ twarega njatũkano ya mũndũ na ũrĩa ũngĩ. Gĩtũmi nĩ tondũ ithuothe tũngĩrutwo thakame nĩ ĩrĩa Mwathani watũmbire nayo, gũtirĩ mũndũ wĩ thakame ĩtarĩ ũrĩa ũngĩ, ĩtana na ũrĩa ũngĩ. Na nĩkĩo twakũhoya Ngai, ona rangi mũirũ watũheire tũrĩ andũ airũ, nĩgetha wĩgocithie na ithuĩ. Reke tũkĩage kwĩambararia ihinda rona rĩmwe, no tũkwambararagie we. Thĩinĩ wa rĩtwa rĩaku nĩrĩo twahoya. Thai thathaia Ngai thai,
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 Thai thathaia Ngai thai.
Mungu asifiwe.
So, read the national anthem.
Just for me.
Just for me.
Wala wote tu, wamama wote pageni line. Wanaume rudini nyuma kidogo. Let's make a good circle. Yes.
National anthem.
Ingieni wamama. This is ours. Wala niko na ngunia, ingieni katikati. We make a good team. Ingieni hapa. Let's make a good circle. We wind up a good team. Those people who are going to address the press, these one have to be very, very strict. Kuna watu wawili wanafaa kuaddress the press. Hawa watu wa media, mnaelewa, mnasikia? These are the people who are involved, and they are the people who are going to address the press.
Was good.
Yeah, they are going to give the remarks, okay? Si mumeona watu wa press? So, kuna watu wamebakika na hivi wimbo yetu ya
So we repeat it.
Saturday, kuja hapa usimame hapa.
Nani anataka
Kuja ingia hapa. Wenye wanataka gunia mseme ingia hapa. This is baby's affairs. Ndio mnaona sana.
Mama unataka
Nataka
gunia?
tufanye kitu.
Shikeni. Wacheni, mimi nilisema hata kama ni watu watano ni sawa, na hata this is my expectation. Nani ako na scissor?
Ni mimi tu. Nani mwingine anataka kuingia?
Haya, nani mwingine anataka dunia mama? Unataka uko sawa? Haya, uko sawa? Kwanza kila
Tusumbua.
haya, so nataka tuive hiyo ndipo. Yes. Guys, when we started this meeting, we were only 2 people. Tulikuwa wawili. Yeah, we were 2 and then we became 4 and now imagine we are this. And I had said, hata nikiwa peke yangu, nitajitoa tu mhanga, ni sawa. Nirambe tu hivyo hivyo. But I have seen the strength of women and I am so happy personally. Thank you guys for coming. Even the women reporters, it takes courage. You have to kanaweza kubadilika ukutezi zote kimeturamba sawa. So thank you so much. You guys have inspired me greatly. You have no idea. You have inspired me and made me even get courage. Okay? Thank you. You inspire us. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you. So she's a singer, so she's going to lead us to Imbe Studio. Yes.
Ilete baraka kwetu, haki iwe ngao na mlinzi, na tukae na udugu, amani na uhuru, raha tupate na ustawi. Amkeni ndugu zetu, tufanye sote bidii, nasi tujitoe kwa nguvu. Nchi yetu ya Kenya tunayoipenda, tuwe tayari kuilinda, na tujenge taifa letu. Ndio wajibu wetu. Kenya istahili heshima, tuungane mikono.
Wimbo wa taifa, si ndio? Kama ni kuungana mkono, this is not a joke. Tushikane mkono, we tell God, atusikie, si ndio? So let's turudie hiyo ngoma.
Music kama ni anthem, national anthem.
We are repeating the whole song. Turudie hiyo ngoma. Yes, exactly. Mbona walikuwa na
Anthem.
hapana.
Tunasema tuungane mikono, tuweke mkono juu.
Ndio. Okay? Mungu yetu, tushikane mkono.
Ilete baraka kwetu, haki iwe ngao na mlinzi, na tukae na undugu, amani na uhuru, raha tupate na ustawi. Amkeni ndugu zetu, tufanye sote bidii, nasi tujitoe kwa nguvu. Nchi yetu ya Kenya tunayoipenda, tuwe tayari kuilinda, na tujenge taifa letu. kazini, kila siku tuwe na shukrani. Sasa tuwe ile yetu ya Kikuyu. Ndio. Ngai mwega we mutageri waita. Mwamokeri mama yekohoyaga mezani na urumu. Nana nyingesha ndo warorere. Wewe wana wale koyo na mogi. Mwene nyaga twakuhoya. Emie kama timo uruwanira tonga. Jaba seitari kehoera morori. Matigeiro nege koyo na mogi. Mwene nyaga twakuhoya. Emie kama timo Nana nyingesha ndo warorere. Oiguana wage koyo na mogi. Mwene nyaga twakuhoya. Emie tohoyaga wendani na gitio. Namagongu kilagare matora. Endeo kehanege gandira. Jamba shaitana sereto. Emie kama timbo moro agero toba. Ekaba shaitani kehoera morori. Watigeiro nege koyo na mobi. Mwene nyaga twakuhoya. Emie kama timbo moro agero toba. Jaba shaitani kehoera morori. Watigeiro nege koyo na mobi. Mwene nyaga twakuhoya. Emie tohoyaga wendani na gitio. Nana nyingesha wendo warorere. Oiguana wage koyo na mobi. Mwene nyaga twakuhoya. Niwe Ngai, Ngai omainge maito. Nowe Ngai, niwe Ngai. Nowe nyaga Ngai, nowe Ngai. Niwe Ngai, niwe Ngai. Ngai omainge maito. Nowe Ngai, niwe Ngai. Niwe Ngai. Wewe nyaga Ngai, nowe Ngai. Ngai mwega we mutageri waita. Mwamokeri magongo na matairo. Ngai ore mbere tutingĩhotwo nĩ thũ. Mwene nyaga twakuhoya. Emie tohoyaga wendani na gitio. Nana nyingesha ndo warorere. Oiguano wage koyo na mobi. Mwene nyaga twakuhoya. Emie kama timbo uruwagiro tombo. Jaba shaitani kehoera morori. Twatigeiro nege koyo na mobi. Mwene nyaga twakuhoya. Emie tohoyaga wendani na gitio. Namagongu kinyakare matora. Endeo kehanege gandira. Jamba shaitana sereto.
Okay, mimi nasaidia. Poleni. Okay, unajua si watu wengi walikuja. So kama unaweza onekana mimi niko na 10k hapa, tunaweza enda kule kitu ama just go sit down, we have something. Ndio. Atakaa si huko. Maji. Na tuko na maji, tuko na maji. Mtu anataka maji, tuko na maji. Nani anataka? Turudie hiyo ngoma. Turudie. sawa. Message yetu ya leo tunataka comrades wetu wakuwe release. Naona kwamba Billy amefiwa. Lakini ako wapi Kibet? Sisi kama Wakenya, kama wababa tunauliza ako wapi Kibet? 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 Ako wapi? Tumekuja tukaomba. Yes. Okay. God has answered our prayers. Yes. Hatukuja hapa kwa maandamano. We are coming here to pray for our nation, for peace, love and unity. Na bado tunataka Kibet. God knows where Kibet is. Na bado hizo sauti za tunataka Kibet. Bado tumitisha mama. Kuja mama. So, wacheni niwaambie, tulikuja hapa to pray and to ask for the release of akina Kibet na Kiplagat because they are brothers. So, yes, hata mkituona hapa, our main objective was kuombea hii nchi for peace, but here the abductees waachiliwe. Yes. So, akina Billy wameachiliwa, but tunataka pia akina Kibet because those are our brothers. Yes. Okay? Yes. Brothers zetu. Na ndio unaona kuna Waislamu hapa, kuna Wakristo, ametuombea sana huyu mama. Kuna traditionalist kama mimi, tuko na Priscilla wa imani, tunataka Kibet. Priscilla, umeona venye amepigania Kibet. You made your voice heard because those are our brothers and we love them. So tafadhali tunataka sasa Kibet aachiliwe. Yes.
Nimesikia ukisema kuna wenye waliachiliwa. Ni akina nani hao wameachiliwa leo?
Sorry? Sahi si mambo ya you not confirm. So it's not ni Mwangi. Kushukuru kwa wale
Twende straight to the point. Kuna wenye wameachiliwa hao.
Kuna wenye wameachiliwa. Hatukuja hapa tuambie wenye wameachiliwa ama wenye hawajaachiliwa ama wako wapi. We were coming here to cry to God. Final. God knows our cry. Na Mungu amesikia maombi yetu. So mambo ya kuulizwa ati wako wapi nini, God in heaven knows. And that's where we are in search. Yes. So guys, we finish. Guys, tumalize maombi yetu. Hi mama. Mama, you're amazing. Say thank you a lot.
Aya, hiyo wimbo yetu.
Hiyo wimbo yetu. Wait. Turudi sako vile tulikuwa hajui. Wanaume wenye wanafanya nini stream hapa. Acheni wanakuja hapa. So, mimi nyuma kidogo. At least you have a light space tumalizie vizuri.
Excuse. Can you... Nani anaongea kwa niaba yenu mara moja? You need please.
Sote turudi hivi kwanza ndio watu wa press wafanye nini? Turudi hivi tumalizie. Leaders in that song, the wanawake wote wenye wako na ngunio waingie hapa kwa sasa. Wewe ni mwanaume toka hapa. Lead the song, we finish. Finish then. Yeah. Najua nataka wenye wote wako na ngunia we form a circle. Rudini hivi nyuma watu wawili akae vizuri. Hapana. Sasa mtaonekana
Utaitisha debate. Huyu mmekataa. Yes. Utaitisha demonstration.
Guys, let's have one meeting. We finish. We create a circle, guys. No, it's okay. Let's finish. I think this is a very successful meeting. It was very successful. Yeah, this is good. Aya. Wangare, come lead us in the song. Come sing the song.
Mnataka Kiswahili tuimbe mbili za Kiswahili?
No.
What's this?
Alafu tuende.
Then
tunamalizia. Then tunaomba. Haya, niwaulize mtangoja lani? Mado. Would you like, unajua me I don't like to keep secret. So will you wait for Lani? You have but you see it is a prayer. So usifanye kwenda ili atuwe. No. Tusiharibu wago. Tulikuja mapema. Mama usijali, it is akina nani wataachiliwa, but you see it was a prayer, si ndio? So would you like us to wait for him? Yeah. Okay. Sawa. What would you like us to do as we sing? We sing. Yes. Tumeambiwa ati tusimbe Kikuyu song.
it's a national thing.
So
sasa Kikuyu.
aya, nani atatu? Kuna Mjaluo atuongoze na wimbo ya Kijaluo. Mimi napenda atia lalingalinga, Yesu atia talingalinga, atio talingalinga, Mungu atio talingalinga, atio talingalinga, atio talingalinga, atio talingalinga, Mungu atio talingalinga. Munarudia tu, atio talingalinga, Mungu atio talingalinga, atio talingalinga, Mungu atio talingalinga, atio talingalinga, Mungu atio talingalinga, atio talingalinga, Mungu atio talingalinga. Sio tumerepresent wajaka. Haya, wakale tu represent. Nani anajua ile ulimba? Kanyu asi atienu, agagondinga na sunae. Kanyu asi asala salin, agagondinga la suna. Kanyu asi atienu, agagondinga la sunae. Kanyu asi asala salin, agagondinga la sunae baba. Sasa mnasema kanyu asi atienu, agagondinga la sunae. Kanyu asi asala salin, agagondinga la suna. Ya Kibaluya. Obira vyose ni Mungu mwami waze, ulivo kuchinyao papa uo mwigulu. Obira vyose ni Mungu mwami wanje, uliro kuchinyao papa uo mwigulu. Ya Kikamba anasatobo eimwe aiyatwe lingele, anasatobo eimwe aiyatwe lingele. Otondo Yerusaleme ingele twende yema, otondo Yerusaleme ingele twende yema. Batatu amayo kamede twelingele, batatu amayo kamede twelingele. Otondo Yerusaleme ingele twende yema, otondo Yerusaleme ingele twende yema. Shetani ayo kaede twelingele, Shetani ayo kaede twelingele.
Watondo Yerusaleme, ingeletwe milima. Watondo Yerusaleme, ingeletwe milima.
Haya, ya nani mwingine aturepresent? Nani ana feel okay, atujui ya Kisomali.
Viwaida, ninaenda.
So let's just put him so happy. We were here by yeah. So yeah, Mama, put a warmth. We finish. So do the voice song. We just
Voice song, yes, the voice song.
Wangare, put a boy.
Yenye wanajua lyrics wanisaidie. Vibauli by the voice. We cry out. The woman has power. Yes. And that power needs to be felt in Kenya. Yeah. Anza Wangare. Wibauliba historia, watu wote mnaombwa msikize kwa makini. Ilikuwa Julai 24, tulisikia watu wote hawai wameshikwa. Hakushikwa majenzi peke yao, ili walishikwa mabingwa wa uhuru. Tunaomba majenzi waachiliwe. Tunaomba waachiliwe. Wimbo uliimba historia, watu wote mnaombwa msikize kwa makini. Ilikuwa kilio nchini Kenya, kina mama kina baba kililia nchi yetu. Tunaomba waachiliwe.
So hopefully hakutakuwa na maandamano ingine. We have tried. After this, tuende ni lunch because we are women. We can go have lunch and talk, and that's when you ataweza, sindio? Yeah, so that's that. If it was successful, thank you guys. This was awesome. I love you guys. I love you. This was awesome. Na tusikutwe, tusikujiwe. Hatujafanya anything wrong, sindio?
I'm so scared.
Let us go.
Tuombeni.
Then tumaliza final prayer. Haya.
Jehova, tunazidi kuomba yeyote, mtoto yeyote Mkenya ambaye ameshikwa, ametekwa nyara, Baba, tunaomba akaachiliwa toka siku ya leo. Hiyo ndio maombi yetu Baba, tunaomba amani. Sisi to disrespect at all the government of the day, but Father, we are begging as mothers of this nation that they release the children that they have adopted. Tunaomba tukinyenyekea ya kuwa serikali itaachilia mtoto yeyote ambaye ametekwa nyara. Jehova, tutazidi kuomba hata tukiwa manyumba zetu, na tunaomba ya kuwa yeyote aliye hapa Baba, tunaomba uzingire yeye na familia yake. Hata tukirudi manyumbani zetu Baba, tuomba utuongoze. Tunakataa kabisa roho zote za
kutuachia sisi na familia zetu katika jina safi la Yesu Kristo wa Nazareti. Tunaomba kwa na
End up back to.
Okay, countdown of abduction now. Thank you. Bye.
When are you going to do this?
Sasa tutabeba tu. Tutabeba makundi ya zetu. Hi, I'm so happy to see you, Mama. Thank you for coming. This was actually I'm so happy. Thank you so much.
Niacha kwa
Yeah, we got to break over and to just kwanza last maandamano wa binti Agas kwa they were still this time leo pia tumetokea na bado wameshinda. Serikali iache kuwasindisha, serikali iache kujaribu kuwapesha, serikali iache kukatili kusubvert our constitution. When someone is arrested, they should be arrested 24 hours and presented in court. Now these people are missing for days and being found dead. That is not a country we are proud of. That is not a country we want to live in, and we want to demand the immediate release of Kibet. We want to demand the immediate release of all the comrades that have been arrested and abducted, and up to now we do not know their whereabouts. That is why we are here on the streets today. That is why we came out today, to join our mothers as they pray, and we demand from the government of the day that you stop abductions, that you stop violating our constitution, that you stop subverting our rights and freedoms as the people of Kenya. Tunasema tunataka Kibet, tunataka watu wote walioabductiwa wareleasiwe free, wakiwa safe, and they are not tortured. And actually it is such a shame that this is the reality of Kenyan youth. But tukitembea, people are looking over their shoulders that they are not abducted, that people are relating jokes that are being made about abductions in Kenya, that Katiba has completely been violated. Ni kama William Samoei Ruto ame-suspend Constitution of Kenya 2010. And we want to remind the ruling elite that all sovereign power belongs to the people of Kenya. And the people are angry, the people are pained, the people are annoyed, the people are sad that this is the reality of Kenya today. That fundamental rights and freedoms are no longer given. There are things we have to come out and protest about. And abductions were forward.
That's it. That's it.
That's number 2. And abductions.
I know your media guys, you like something that is trend, but this is not what I Stop interviewing anyone.
We came here to pray. Don't ask me for my
I know you want
we don't know. It doesn't matter. We're here for prayer. That's it. Please close the camera.
You're not going to allow something that was planned with good intention. Stand up. Any woman here, do not do any press statements. Any woman here, Maisha, let's not do any press statements because that can be taken and be turned against what we are trying to do here. The media is not our friend. The media is owned by British people. The media is owned by parastatals, corporates. You want quick bait so that you go and turn this thing to another thing. We already know how the media works.
no question.
So don't try to do that.
Some water.
Okay.
We will not allow that. We will not allow for something that was gathered in good intentions to be changed just because of, you know.
Some question.
Ameenda kusema asante imeisha hivyo.
Na maji. Maji iko. Maji ilikuwa wanawake pekee.
Sababu
nasikia. Niko naomba by the way.
hapa ndani
Naomba. Saidia.
pati huyo. Yeah, let's just think that.
I want them to check on you. So that is why.